Hello. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In the chapter number 11, we will learn advanced tool like pen tool and text tool. Just begin to open Illustrator. Here in the previous video, we will learn about the pen tool. What is the use of pen tool? You can draw some design using pen tool like that. I have make one triangle using pen tool, and again I have make one design like that, and just a minute. So here is the two more advanced feature is there: add anchor point and delete anchor point. Anchor point tool, I already previous video I have explained about the pen tool and anchor point, but I will repeat this option again. And add anchor point means you have to add a anchor point by using plus sign, and you have to delete anchor point using minus sign. Okay, so I want to add anchor point over here. Just click here using the mouse. You have to add a anchor point, and if you want to delete a anchor point, just click here and minus, press the minus. Okay, delete the anchor point. Okay, like that. I want anchor point over here to delete. If there is no anchor point, if you click, please use the delete anchor point tool to anchor the anchor point to the path. So I have to add new anchor point over here. Okay, and the third one is a anchor point tool. With the help of anchor point tool, you can give the shape curve to your design like that. This is the line. I want to make some curve type. Okay, like that, curve design. So we have to make one anchor point over here like that. I want to add one anchor point here, and I have to give this surface to curve type like that. Okay, like that. So after adding the anchor point, you can give your design to curve shape. Okay, like that. Okay, so this is the design. Okay, so pen tool, to make one design using the pen tool, and add anchor point, delete anchor point, and anchor point tool. Okay, 3 advanced feature over here. Second, I will explain you again in type tool. Type tool, with the help of type tool, you can type something like that. Like you can type over here something interactive. Just a minute. So this is the type area. I want to add some more line over here. This is the type area. Increase the character size. I want to change font. You can change the font by using here. Okay, just a minute. I want to be here. Okay, and this shape here. Okay, so this is type tool. Okay, you can type something like interactive. You can change the color, change the paragraph, alignment. Here already I have discussed about that. And you can change the character, like go to character, and here is some more option is like everything is all cap, all small, like that. Everything is the similar to Word, Microsoft Word. And stroke, you can apply to a stroke also. Okay, now this is the advanced tool. I have to discuss about the area type tool. This is the area type tool. Type on part tool, vertical type tool, vertical area type tool, vertical type on part tool, and touch type tool. This is the advanced feature. Okay, so I have to discuss about this first one, area type tool. Area type tool, I want to type on this same. Okay, just copy this everything and click the area like that and paste it this. So just click here outer side. This is the area type tool. Inside the shape you can write something. Okay, and this is the red symbol is showing that you have type is like that. Now is green means your whatever you have pasted, it's out of boundary. Okay, this is out of boundary, this is inside the shape. Okay, now you click, this is the area type tool. Understand? Okay, next is type on part tool. I already discussed on previous video. Type on part tool. I want to type on this shape on outside of path. This outside of path. Okay, just copy this. Just a minute. Type tool. I want to copy this everything and area type tool. Just go to area type on part tool and click over here. This should be there. Okay, just Control V. The Adobe Illustrator course like that. Just click outside, you can get some images. And this red symbol is showing that you have pasted is more than a keyword, like out of boundary, like that. Okay, so you have to delete some word from so that green symbol will be appear, or you can change the size of like that. 21 now is green. Okay, next one is a vertical type tool. Is the similar to area type on path, but it's vertically. Okay, this is vertical type tool. Go to the vertical type tool and click here. This is the vertical type tool. Inside the area vertically will be displaying like that. If some design is want vertically. Okay, and this showing is out of boundary. Okay, like that. Okay, next, vertical area type tool means out of boundary you can type, but vertically like that. Vertical area type tool. Okay, and vertical type on path. Here is the path and I want to type on vertically in just a minute. Copy, just small, copy this, go to there, vertical, type on path. I want to type on path over here, Control V, vertically, like that. This is the vertically, the Adobe Illustrator, vertically. And red symbol is showing that you have pasted is more word, like that. Red symbol showing that you have to decrease the size of character, or just a minute, size you can small, like that. Now green. Okay, like that. You can type like that. Next one is touch type tool. It is very important if you are designer and you want to make one logo for a company like that, like Adobe Illustrator. This is the name of your company, I think. Okay, this is the V Adobe Illustrator. I have written. Just a minute. Remove this. I will explain you what is the touch type tool. Okay, touch type tool. Just click. Zoom out. I want to be the B will be rotate over here like that. Okay. I want S to R. Just go to touch type tool. Select R. Rotate, zoom out, increase the size of character like that. Zoom out like that. Like that. Like that. If you are some logo designer, this tool will be very helpful to make some attractive like that. Okay, you can make like bigger one. Okay, so this is the advanced feature of type tool. Pen tool. Pen tool is the pen tool, and add anchor point, delete anchor point, this is the advanced tool. And type tool, there is area type tool, type on part tool, vertical type tool, vertical area type tool, vertical type on part tool, and touch type tool like that. Okay, thank you for watching.